orchard there. You can buy apples if you wish. It's what annoys me, all these little bushes and stuff, no one cuts them back. And this is a cycle path, but just forces people into the middle. This is the official start of the Exe Trail. We won't see many trains today because yet again they're on strike. That's one of the entrances there to Powdram Castle. We might see some deer on the left hand side. A lovely sight. See them all? Been startled. Quite a big herd. On it. Now we have sheep. Lots of sheep. So we follow that track all the way into Exeter, and then it'll come down the other side, and that'll be all the way down to Exmouth and beyond. Just see how far we've done. We've done 7 miles, maximum speed 25, average 13 miles an hour, which isn't bad, pretty steady. This is Turf Locks. So this is where the canal starts. You'll get a little bit of a wobble when you brake fast. Just there. Getting better, so I think when I set the speed and the braking in split ride, acceleration's really good, braking's good. I think I've said before, I haven't seen that many people on unicycles around this area. I've seen a group going through once. I think it was 2-3 riders coming off the Exe Trail. Didn't manage to catch them. I was only walking, so didn't really catch their eye, and would have been good to have a chat. I'm sure there must be a chat group around somewhere. I know there's some riders down in Torquay. Might be worth catching up with them, going out on a social ride. And the difference between these and scooters, I feel, anyone can more or less get on a scooter and ride it. With a unicycle, something that you've basically got to skill yourself up on. It takes a lot more effort. I think you become a bit more aware, or a lot more aware of safety. Because when you come off one of these, you certainly know about it. I wear an armoured jacket, pads, chest pad, arm pads, shoulder pads, back pad. I've got cycling or motorbike salopettes on, so they've got padded knees. There's no padding in the hips, which is surprising. So there's a lot more skill involved to see some of the guys in New York doing ridiculous speeds down main roads. Not 100% sure whether unicycles are okay on the main roads over in America. I know the speed limit on them is a bit higher than ours. I think they're 20 miles an hour, maybe 22. Their legal limit for electric vehicles. Ours is, or electric unicycles or scooters or bikes, ours is 15.5, which is basically about, what am I doing now? That's 15 miles an hour, which, you know, some people might say that's enough, but it doesn't allow you to get in and out of situations with any comfort, without any confidence. And I feel that's quite important. You should be able to accelerate. 20 miles an hour I think is a reasonable speed, but if I've got all the right gear on, I ride safely. I always slow down when I come into groups or people walking, especially when people are not aware you're coming from behind. And that is the responsibility of those guys who own these vehicles, to make sure that we don't annoy people, don't make people feel unsafe when we're around. Show some courtesy, and then people will be more likely to go out and buy one, or at least accept them. And that's how you change mindsets and eventually change laws. I still feel it's a long way away. It would be interesting to get anyone's thoughts on the safety, influence, law, the restrictions of EUCs, electric unicycles. If you do like these videos, give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and why not press that bell, get notifications when I make more videos. There's an argument for wearing a tether while on the wheel. You could put some sort of lead on around your leg and your hand, something that'll keep you attached to the wheel if you do come off. There's a few issues with that. You're going down a hill, the wheel goes. Do you really want to be dragged by 30 kilos of weight doing 20 miles an hour down a hill, especially off-roading? But also, if I'm doing this sort of speed and there's a lot of people about and I come off and the wheel slides, I don't want that to hit someone. So there is an argument to have that tether.